What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack. Most of you guys already know me. In this channel, I just show you how to recreate looks of your favorite influencers or celebrities for your Instagram account for free. And today, I got a lot of requests about JESS HUNT. JESS HUNT 2 is her Instagram handle. I checked out her profile for you guys, and I really see that color scheme that she's doing. It's a really harmonic, warm look, and she just does some subtle edits, so she doesn't edit too much, she doesn't over exaggerate. I like it a lot. You guys seem to like it as well, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate this subtle JESS HUNT inspired look for your Instagram profile for free in the free Lightroom app. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's in the all presets pack now, so most of you guys already have the all presets pack. You can just start working with it. The rest of you guys, the link is under this video. It's the all presets pack with over 100 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your Instagram pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, which is on a weekly basis, you will get those presets in the pack for free. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. I think it's a great deal. It's unique. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future content if this is content that you like to see. And of course, if you have new ideas for me, new requests, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. I'm trying to reply as fast as I can, so yeah, just shoot me a DM and let's talk. Now, said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you will need to do, of course, is take a picture. Now, make sure you take the picture outside, probably when the sun is up or just at daytime, and you want to make sure to stand in front of a pretty clean building wall, because that's what JESS HUNT does a lot. She's in front of those clean building walls. They're from yellow to white, but really bright walls, and there's not a lot going on in the background, so make sure to do that. And as soon as you have that picture, we want to jump in that free Lightroom app, open it in there, and I'll show you how to get the edit as close as possible. So you open your picture in the free Lightroom app. Now I've chosen this right here of Hannah Schönberg because it comes super close to the setting. Looks to me as if it was taken on the mobile phone. And the first thing in the lights tab is the curve that we want to check out. So on the upper right side, hit the curve, and I want you to recreate this subtle S curve as it is right here. So as I said, it's just a really slight S curve, really soft, nothing too hard going on here. You might want to take a screenshot and really get as close to this curve as you can. And once you have this, we are done here. And now we just want to pull down the contrast a little bit to -13 right here. Then we want to boost up the highlights all the way to +13. And we want to boost up the shadows as well to +11. And the whites we want to boost up all the way to +33. Now we're gonna leave the blacks at 0. We're done with the light. We go over to the colors tab, and here I want you to just boost the temperature a little bit to +7 to get it a little warmer. And then the vibrance down here, we want to push that up all the way to +24 or 25. And the saturation, we want to pull that down to -29 or 28 right here. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and this is going to affect the skin tone. So for the red tones, we want to pull down the hue to around -22, boost up the saturation all the way to +43 right there, and leave the luminance at 0. Now for the orange tones, we want to pull down the hue to -18. Then we want to boost up the saturation to +32 and pull down the luminance to -24 or 23 right there. Then the yellow tones, we want to pull down the hue to -26 right there. Then we want to boost the saturation to +20 and leave the luminance at 0. The green tones, we want to pull down the saturation all the way to -100. There's nothing green going on here, but just in case there is, we want that saturation to be completely gone. Then the aqua tones, saturation down to -70 in this case. And the blue tones, we want to boost up the saturation to +26 right there, or 25. And then we're done with the color mix. We go over to the effects tab, and here I just want you to boost up the clarity a little bit to +15 to get that crisp in that picture. And then we hit split toning on the upper right side, And here I just want you to add some warmth to the highlights. So we pull the highlights over to a hue of around 60 and a saturation of around 15 is good. So it's 61, 15, that is perfect. We're done there. And then we hit the detail right there. And now we just want to smoothen out the image a little bit. So we do some noise reduction to around 20 and also some color noise reduction to around 28 right there. And then we're done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after. And as I said in the beginning, it's just a subtle change, but it really gives that JESS HUNT look. And that's the thing I really like about that warm JESS HUNT look, is that she keeps it really subtle. She doesn't do too much. It still looks natural, but in the way all the pictures are super harmonic in her feed, and it creates that great aesthetic that I enjoy a lot, and you guys seem to enjoy as well. So thank you for requesting this. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for showing me this profile. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video now. And it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And as soon as I create new presets, which is on a weekly basis, they will automatically be updated in your all presets pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future tutorials. And of course, if there's anything you need, any questions that you have, any new requests, new ideas for videos that I can do for you, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always happy to hear from you guys. So yeah, I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll also see you in my next video. Take care, stay creative, and stay healthy. Peace.